Hello, this is Jacob with Environmental Works. I'm at 1630 Southeast 46th Avenue in Portland to perform a video sewer line inspection to determine the serviceability of the sewer line going from the house to the city main. I've accessed the line today through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout located in the basement. I'm currently in a horizontal lateral now with some water running up ahead. I'll be turning on some water up above at the stack, most likely at the kitchen. So at this point, I'll set my foot marker to read 0, get that water running, and then begin my inspection. We can go ahead and go forward till we find that water. It's like here at approximately 6 feet is where the water ties in. Approximately 33 feet, the line transitions to what appears to be 6-inch terracotta. At approximately 63 feet, the line transitions to 6-inch concrete. And at approximately 69 feet, the line transitions to 6-inch terracotta once again. We're going to take a moment to try to get past this, whatever this obstacle is. It appears that this offset is right before the connection to the main line in Southeast 46th Avenue, approximately 12 feet deep, marked out with some white paint. We're now going to begin our pullback. One of the toilets here is rather leaky, so we will have some water streaming through as we go. We'll give it another minute or two to try to let it drain out so we can check for pooling effectively. Alright, we've let that drain out a bit more. We're going to go ahead and begin our pullback towards the curb line. Approximately 79 feet. We can see the end of some potential pooling. We'll go ahead and pull through. The end of the pooling is at the beginning of the pooling is at approximately 75 feet. This is out on the road within the city's jurisdiction, and we still got some amount of water flowing out, but we'll keep on pulling back. Appears to be a good amount of cobwebs on top of the line right there. We'll go ahead and get a locate right here. Located this spot approximately 2 feet off of the curb line into the street at approximately 7 feet deep. Marked out with some white paint. Here we are back in the small concrete portion. There's some amount of channeling, but so far no evidence of any root intrusion, cracks or breaks. There's a bit of an offset joint here. The water seems to be able to flow over it just fine. Go ahead and get a locate here. Alright, located the spot about 3 feet behind the curb line, approximately 8 feet deep. I relocated the curb line too, back at approximately 65 feet rather than 68 feet, and approximately 7 foot 6 inches deep. We'll go ahead and get another locate at this spot. Located this spot of the property line, right in front of the retaining wall in the front yard, marked out with some white paint, approximately 7 foot 6 inches deep. Go ahead and continue back. Still looking out for any root intrusions, breaks, serious offset joints. Alright, went back to that last joint here at approximately 37 feet. That does appear to be some root intrusions. Does look quite fibrous here on the side. We're going to go ahead and get a locate on that. On another look, it does appear to just be a bundle of cobwebs to me. And I have seen quite a few spiders walking around in this line, so we're going to call these cobwebs. Here we are back in the cast iron portion of the line. Take a look, make sure there's nothing wrong around the rim there where it connects. So far the cast iron appears to be in relatively good condition. No serious excess rust scale or severe channeling as of yet. Here on the left we can see some tie-ins for different fixtures inside the house. This includes the video sewer line inspection for 1630 Southeast 46th Avenue. The serviceability of the sewer line does appear to be functioning, or of the property owner's portion of the sewer line does appear to be functioning properly. However, there does seem to be an issue of an offset right before the main in the city's jurisdiction, and we recommend sending the video to the city for their review.